Every September, the town of Valvasone in the province of Pordenone becomes the stage for one of the country's most immersive medieval festivals. Located in Friuli-Venezia Giulia, Valvasone is a small fortified village known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and its 13th century castle. From the 4th to the 7th of September, the town's narrow streets and ancient stone walls come alive with historical demonstrations, including armored combat, medieval crafts, falconry, and liturgical reenactments. All activities are based on documented sources. Materials used for costumes, weapons, and tools are selected to match those used between the 13th and 15th centuries. More than entertainment, the festival is a cultural initiative that honors local heritage and draws thousands of visitors each year. In Valvasone, the past isn't just remembered, it's experienced in vivid details.